Hi everyone, today we are going to have a look inside of these Sony dx3 speakers. Now there's only one tool that you need, and that is a flathead screwdriver. It's already starting to come off. Right, I've got a good angle on that one. Let's open this up. Whoa, big magnet on that speaker. This one actually reminds me of like a Bose. That's really cool. It's a good little speaker to play with too. You've got the cone area, you've got the magnet. And this is a little 4-inch. And this is the 5-inch or 6.5 inch? I don't know. So yeah, it fits into that part there. There you go. Got the back. Got the back there. Everything. I love this little beauty. It's really nice. Sorry guys, I'm going to go close the door. So, focus on recording this video. So we've got an angle here. We've got an angle there. And let's see if we can get the tweeter out. Yes, I put the installation in here as well. In there. If you see that. Just in there like that. So, now that we got the woofer out, we can focus on getting the tweeter out. Tweet, 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 tweet. I don't know why I didn't call them tweeters. Maybe it's because they're high frequency speakers. So yeah. And the tweeter is actually the same colour as the cone on here. It's there. And And this video actually does have a capacitor on it as well. As you can see, you got a tweeter here. Relatively small magnet. You got it there. You got it there and everything. And it actually moves like an actual woofer as well, so yeah. I love it. Anyway, that's pretty much all it's going to be of this video. Put it all back together. And I will edit this footage later. Extremely bassy too. So yeah, I got my GoPro Hero 8 recording in that angle. And I got my phone recording me. I don't really want my face to be in it for some reason. I don't know why, but I just don't want my face to be in it. If that makes any sense. Well, leave a dislike if it doesn't make any sense. Leave a like if it does make sense. I should really give like a wireless mic system. I'll add this footage onto my video editor first, and then its footage on there too. I don't know how many watts these speakers are, but yeah. They're relatively powerful too. I was trying for around 80 watts. 80 watts. So, yeah. I got a GoPro's mount actually mounted onto another speaker, just for balance. As if it's gonna. Yeah, I think it's going the right angle. This is actually like my very first video I'm recording with my GoPro. Yeah, I'm recording. Sorry about that, guys. Almost done. Guys, I apologize for that. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get more views. That's why I was recording. There we go. That's how it's supposed to look like. And that side too. And maybe, in the next video, I will show you what's inside of my Sony subwoofer. But here, this big fella. This is a down-firing subwoofer. This is the down firing. This is what's going to be in the next video along with my GoPro. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, phone viewers. Thanks for watching, GoPro viewers. Alright, peace out.